A new video of pretty Yagmur Yuksel have been shared on social media, and also many new pictures of Baris Baktas have been shared. Yagmur Yuksel is very fond of making videos in a car, so whenever she is in car, she always shares beautiful video in beautiful expressions, and she always looks so pretty. So Yagmur Yuksel's new video has been shared, and she was looking absolutely stunning and beautiful. Her new pictures have caught up great attention on social media. Baris Baktas has also shared new pictures, and Baris' new pictures have also caught up great attention on social media. So Yagmur's new video while Baris' new sharing has been shared.